Oh, child. That's Spider White. Honey.
He bite, it's gonna hurt. That's probably what bit me. Some shit like that.
Oh, hell no. We can't do that. Honey, we can't. You need to get them motherfuckers out of here. Honey. So, you guys. So, what was I finna tell y'all? Y'all, I got a hat that go with this outfit, but I was feeling my two pigtails. Don't you like it? It's playful. They need to be like sitting up. Like, why they not cooperating? Okay. All day, every day, slay, honey. I got a mask. Look, y'all, here go the hat. Real Gucci, hoochie, fired, okay? And I got the mask to go with it. I can't find my mask. What? $3.75. Oh, yes, honey. I forgot about my chicken, child. Hold on. Excuse me?
Why are you so loud?
What you talking about? Y'all. Ain't that cute?
Oh, it does sleep.
Okay, grandpa. But, y'all, so this one of my favorite chickens that I make, honey. Babe, you see my bubble gum? Oh, this is my gum. My gum.
That is not going on.
It is my gum.
No, I bought that.
Okay, then. You know any something y'all bought?
So what?
Okay, so what my ass? Period. Y'all be acting like y'all can't shove. Look up. Where you go? Buy stuff in the house and don't shove. Bye-bye. This shit nasty anyway. Shit nasty. Should have some goddamn bubble gum on them. That shit trash. What are these rides? So
Hey. You want to put the chicken on the grill?
what?
You want to put it on the grill?
Put what on the grill?
Chicken. Oh, it's chewing like that.
The flavor. How we gonna put the chicken on the grill? It's already soaked in the juice.
So what? Just put it on the,
So what you gonna do? Leave it on the pot?
put aluminum, no, you just put aluminum foil on the grill. Put the chicken on top of aluminum foil. It's a different type of heat. I mean, if you don't want to, you don't have to, but.
Not really, child. I don't wanna do all that. I don't got time.
Yeah, I can like that.
I like what?
My mom got two child.
What?
Somebody got two child. They can pull that gun like that.
Don't show my gun like everybody else should have gone. Oh, now my damn weed, my weed.
Why are you slaving that shit on all food?
Oh, child, cause no motherfucking weed, honey. Can't do that.
I'm hungry right now.
Okay, well you gotta wait. Acting like you can't wait. You don't have to wait.
You didn't know that right now.
It is not. You ain't looking.
Why
Y'all,
are you
so
doing like that?
I'm trying to give y'all this little vlog or whatever before we do our spin the wheel or whatever. Y'all know what I need to do? I need to lay my baby edges again because they look a little crusty. Do they look crusty, y'all? Put down in the comments if they look crusty.
Damn. In 6 hours? What
Twerk. That's what I need to do.
are you doing?
I need to get, you know they got them new sugar, citrus lip gloss.
Hey, look. In 6 hours, they got 1 million views.
My lips popping. They popping.
Off a comment. They just did what the comment said.
What?
Damn, 30.
What?
Look, this is 7.7. Why are you chewing like that?
For like what?
Damn.
Damn. Ain't nothing wrong with how I'm chewing. Oh, yeah, probably with something. So, y'all, I bought this blow dryer today. Because your girl need a new blow dryer. Even though you see I got my little braid. I mean, my little fox. My little fox locks and whatever. I needed this. Look at this. It's so cute. And it's like a fuchsia pink or whatever. Y'all, so let me put my lip gloss right here so we can like sit. I want y'all to see my whole outfit. You know what I forgot to do today? I forgot to get my nails done, and I was gonna get them done like real long, like with Louis Vuitton. Dang, is you listening to me?
Oh, I ain't trying to hear you, you sound stupid.
How am I talking stupid?
Yes. You keep saying all that dumb stuff.
What's dumb about what I'm saying?
That's you acting. Like, that's how you acting.
How am I
And you
acting?
still chewing the gum like that.
No, I'm not chewing gum.
Huh?
Okay, so how am I chewing the gum? Cause now I ain't chewing the gum. So what?
Racket.
Okay, and what's wrong with that? Child. Y'all little raggedy Jones be killing me. How is it not me?
You look like 2 ponytails and 2 colors and all that shit. It's like
Ain't nothing wrong.
it's
Is
like
it
you
anything
trying to
wrong,
be-
y'all, with what I got going on?
It's like
No.
you trying to be ghetto or something.
Period. It ain't nothing wrong. It ain't nothing wrong.
I hope you get on YouTube see you acting like that.
You said I ain't got no issue with how I'm acting. Yeah. Move. See, now you want to be nasty. Come on. See? Now you want to be nasty and shit.
Come on, we need to make this video.
Okay. I'm trying to vlog with you.
What the hell is you doing?
Show them our daily, like how he vibe.
Don't be like that.
How don't be like this? Now he laugh.
You sound
He laugh. You over here looking like a goddamn worker.
I got my mask on today.
Okay, you being protected or whatever.
What are you doing? Let's make a video.
Okay, we making the video.
So why are you vlogging?
Cause I want them to see like me, like, and how we vibe together. What is wrong? What is wrong?
Huh?
You act like you'll be wanting me. Twerk. You ain't feeling the outfit and the vibe?
Not at all. I'm just ready to make the video so we can go back to our normal schedule.
This gum is so light.
I don't put in some work.
It's not really the type of gum I need. Like, I need bubbles, like bubble gum.
What you cooking with chicken? Rice?
Cornbread, collard greens. I am. I really did. Like, the cornbread ain't nothing. Whip it up real quick. Whip it. The collard greens, I got them in a can. They already ones that's seasoned. My yellow rice is in it.
Why are you so loud?
Why are you looking like that?
You're annoying me right now.
And in my candy yams.
Come on, huh?
Come on.
Stop. You want to be Ratchet? You want to be Ratchet?
Get off me. Move. Y'all see he being nasty. Come on. I ain't being dumb. Watch your tone, pimp. You ready?
You just smacking the wheel on that damn phone. You killing me.
I'm killing you? Okay. Stop. It's a prank. Come on, man. Stop. You doing too much. He'll look like a crippled person. Move. Me acting like this. Me acting like this. Now you know damn well. You wasn't getting the vibe that this was something weird going on.
I thought you was vlogging before the video came on.
No, I was just being a bird. Y'all, I guess he was getting aggravated for real. But this is super cute. Y'all, I actually will wear my hair like this. It's actually cute, right?
Not at all.
What?
That shit yellow as hell. Two different color things.
I mean, if they were one color. This is cute. I'm actually gonna wear this like this. Well, not with this outfit, but well.
No, you niggas acting like the girl who was like, and I saw 69 though.
Come here.
You know what? Come here, ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. You ask that for some money.
Okay, was you aggravated?
Huh?
Was you aggravated?
I mean, I wasn't really angry. I was just getting annoyed.
Stop. Okay, y'all. So I guess that worked. Acting a little ratchet.
Right?
Oh, that ratchet.
I really can tell the difference.
These niggas acting like they got it, they pretending, nigga. I caught the bag, I got the money apprehended, nigga. Chasing non-stop, I'm long-winded, nigga. Call me Money Mayweather.